Oppo has launched two new Reno series phones in China called Oppo Reno 13 and Reno 13 Pro. Both of this device looks quite identical, but are different in terms of specifications, and among this two, the Oppo Reno 13 Pro is the higher variant, with more features. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the Oppo Reno 13 Pro smartphone. The Reno 13 Pro features a tall 6.83-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1200 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset, paired with Mali G615MC6 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256GB, 512GB, or 1 TB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Oppo Reno 13 Pro sports a triple camera setup under squarish module at the top left corner, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with Sony's IMX890 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is another 50-megapixel telephoto lens, with 3.5x optical zoom support, along with the 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with 116-degree field of view. For selfies it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 5,800 mAh battery, with 80 watts wired super flash charging support, and 50 watts wireless flash charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 15, based on ColorOS 15 Skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.73 by 76.55 by 7.55 millimeters, and it weighs around 197 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo Reno 13 Pro has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in midnight black, starlight pink, and butterfly purple color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo Reno 13 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.